Surf's up is the phrase that comes to mind when I use the FloXY and FloXY HS fine pitch connectors, as these connectors can move in 3 axes while mated, 2 traverse and 1 rotational. This movement not only helps to ease mating, but also absorbs shock and allows for a small degree of movement between 2 separate PCBs, thus reducing shock and vibration while also reducing damage to solder joints. The IATF 16949 certified nature of these connectors makes them suitable for industrial and automotive environments. And just like how surfers keep their cool in all conditions, these connectors can withstand temperatures ranging from -40 to 125 degrees Celsius. With a pitch of 0.5 millimeters, a stack height ranging from 4 to 30 millimeters, and between 10 and 180 positions, these connectors are ideal for all kinds of data applications, especially high-speed transmission with a capability up to 16 gigabits per second, supporting PCIe Gen 4. Now that's totally rad.